Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 2-star property.
In this video, we provide a detailed explanation of everything you need to know about this property, like amenities, room category, location, landmark, facilities, and reviews also.
As you can see on the screen, the property location and nearby attractions and landmarks are also provided here.
To see more than 100 of reviews of this property, you can go to Google.com.
Its review rating is 9.8, which is the exceptional room category one.
You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room facilities, amenities, and images, etc.
Next, we discuss the amenities of this property. As you can see on the screen, this hotel type of room is available on agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy it. The location of the property is first class and guests really enjoy the beautiful surroundings.
Check-in time in this property is 3 p.m.
And checkout time of this hotel is 11 a.m. There are many deals and offers available online for this property, along with different meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book, you can use the link provided in the description below.
If you have any problem booking a room in this property, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. For booking a bit more details about this hotel, please check link in the description.
If you have visited this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to this channel or not subscribed yet, then subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming property.
Thank you for watching the entire video. Dear friends, we'll meet again in a new video with a new hotel.